Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. Yes, I'll just say a minute, not hours or days, just a minute. I have been away, so I am back and I am here to give you another video, and I hope you are happy about it. Let me hear you say yay. Okay, like I always say, my name is Benedicta, but you can call me Benny for short. I feel like I'm always rapping when I say this, and I know people will be asking me, why do you always say this when you are on your YouTube channel? Yeah, I always say this because if someone is not even watching my channel, or if someone who has watched my channel before is in the kitchen or somewhere and someone else is watching my video and the person hears, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, this is Benedicta, but you can call me Benny for short," the person will know that yes, she is watching Benny Hours. So yeah, that's the main reason behind all this. So don't be, what's the word, don't be annoyed or don't be irritated when you hear me saying that. So and it's also for my new people coming in to watch me, so they get to know my name. Yeah, so that's what this whole thing is about. So if you are new on my channel, I say welcome. Akwaba in my local dialect. I'm from Ghana, so I'll say Akwaba, and please do not just leave this channel. I'll be grateful if you subscribe to my channel and you hit the bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So that is basically what the bell is about. You have to click on it, so when I upload a new video, you are able to know that I have uploaded a video, and maybe you might be the first person to watch, because yes, it's just a notification to show you that I have uploaded a new video. Simple as that. Yeah. Enough of my talk, and let's get right into why we are here. So today's video is about the cheap filming equipment for YouTube beginners. I know some people will be wondering, what are the equipment I need to start a YouTube? I've had two friends who have asked me this, and I have shared with them what equipment they need, but I was like, okay, why don't I share on my YouTube channel? Maybe I might help someone who wants to know about this. So that's what today's video is all about. So if you want to hear the gist, or if you want to know all the gist, I will urge you to get some water like I have here and watch this video till the end. Yeah, that's what I will suggest you do. So thank you for sticking and wanting to hear this gist that I have for you. I hope, or I believe, everyone has a phone, but not a yam phone. When I talk about a yam phone, I know my Ghanaians know what I'm talking about. But if you're outside, okay, I think I have to show you guys what I'm talking about. Yeah, I was trying to get my yam phone, but I don't know where I have placed it. So let's continue with this video. I'll put a picture here to show you what a yam phone is. So if you have a phone that can take good pictures, that can take quality videos, then it's a plus for you. You can use that to take videos or to shoot videos and post it on YouTube. That is what I use. I use my phone to shoot videos. Like as I'm talking to you right now, I'm using my phone to shoot this video and then post it on YouTube. I have a camera, but I don't know why. I don't know why. Like, I don't know why. I'm not using that camera, but I prefer to use my phone to shoot this video and put on YouTube. And another thing that you will need is natural light, especially if you are taking or shooting a video in the mornings. Yeah, you might need natural light. And for natural light, you can if you have a porch in your house, you can use the porch, because out there is natural light, the sun will be out. I'm not saying when the sun is so scorchy then you go and sit in your balcony. Oh my gosh, please, no, please, that's not what I'm saying. Okay, that's not what I'm saying. But you need natural light. If you don't have money to buy lighting, you know, that lights they put behind the cameras and all that, if you don't have money to buy those things, you can use natural light. You can even be in your house or your room. If you have a window, you don't have to sit in front of the window and then put the camera before you. You have to put the camera at the window facing this way, then you will sit behind the camera. Setting has to face the window and you will be behind the settings, yeah, so that the light will be on the phone, and that's so that you can shine on you. You can shine on you, so that's, I don't know where this is from, so it can shine on you so that I can have a clear and perfect picture or video. Yes. And the second thing is that if maybe you cannot use your natural light, or maybe you have a room that is very, very dark, this might be a little expensive, but I feel like it is the cheapest, because if you are trying to buy these lights or the studio lights, I don't know, it's expensive. So this is the cheapest. If you have a ring light, if you're a makeup artist and even have a ring light, it's a plus for you, because you can use your phone and can use your ring light. With the ring light, we have types of ring lights. You can buy the one they use for the makeup, that's the standard one, that's what I'm using at the moment, or you can use this type. You have to stick this, you have to clip this on a table, and this is where you put the phone. Mine is off, so yeah, so my handle, the phone holder is off, so this is where you put the phone, and this is the light. Okay, there's a ring light, and this is the USB connection. So you put this on your Samsung head or any USB connection to power, and then you use this and you put your phone here and you put on the light and you film. Or you buy the standard ring light and you use that to film. There's so many types of ring light, so you can buy the one you think you can afford and use it to, you know, take a video or shoot a video in whatever way you prefer. Yeah, so with the tripod too, we have so many types. We have the one you can open and make it taller, and we have the one that is shorter. That is this type of tripod. I use this one for vlogging, so I put my phone here and I hold it like this. But if you don't have, and I use the one that you can make it taller to video, that's what I am using at the moment. But I use this to vlog. But if you don't have money and you think this is cheaper for you, you can use this tripod. It's also a tripod. You open it, you put it down, and you put your phone here, and maybe you put it on a taller table or on a taller stand, and then you do your video. Or even if you don't have money at all, you can build books, notebooks or storybooks or whatever, and put your phone on and, you know, and shoot a video, if that is what will really work for you. So it depends on you which type of ring light you will want and which type of tripod that will be affordable for you. You use it. So these are the cheapest, you know, because the expensive ones are the cameras, the studio light. Those are really expensive. Those are really, really expensive. So if you don't have money to buy those, you can use this as an alternative and then shoot your videos on YouTube. Go back, let me recap what I said. So as a beginner, a YouTube beginner, you can use your phone and a natural light, or you can use your phone and a ring light. So yeah, so these are the two things, the cheapest filming equipment you can ever get. Yes, so that is it. This is the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you like about this video, if it was very educative or if it was very informative. If you really like videos like this, please let me know. Don't just go just like that. Subscribe if you do, I'll be very grateful. So please do subscribe to my channel, and definitely I will see you in my next one. Bye. So this is the tripod I use, and this is my ring light with the mirror. Yeah, so this is what I use. Hi.